Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Renika, and today we're discussing insupportability in a Texas divorce. In Texas, insupportability is a legal term for a no-fault divorce. It means that the marriage has become unsustainable due to discord or conflict, making reconciliation impossible. Unlike fault-based grounds such as adultery or cruelty, insupportability does not require proof of wrongdoing by either spouse. Instead, one party simply needs to assert that the marriage is irretrievably broken, which is usually enough for the court to grant the divorce. The advantage of filing for divorce based on insupportability is that it can make the process smoother and less contentious. Since there is no need to prove misconduct, couples can often avoid lengthy court battles, focus on the negotiating key issues such as property division, child support, custody, and support arrangements and child support arrangements. This approach can help reduce emotional stress and legal costs, making it a preferred option for many divorcing spouses. While insupportability is a common basis for divorce, it does not prevent either party from presenting evidence of fault when it's relevant. For example, if one spouse engaged in financial misconduct or family violence, those factors can still influence decisions regarding asset division or child custody. However, the overall process remains centered on resolving disputes efficiently rather than assigning blame. Texas courts generally grant divorces based on insupportability as long as the spouse asserts that reconciliation is not possible. This means that even if other spouses disagree on their wants or the need to stay married, the court will likely proceed with the divorce. The law recognizes that forcing a couple to stay together against their will is neither practical nor beneficial. If you are considering filing for divorce in Texas based on insupportability, consult with an experienced family law attorney that can help you navigate the legal process. A knowledgeable attorney can guide you through property division, custody arrangements, financial support issues, and ensure that your rights and interests are protected throughout the proceedings. And we will see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.